Hi guys, welcome to my first video on the Kidz channel. So today I'm going to be making a really quick, easy summer recipe. I'm going to be making some homemade ice lollies. Here are some ones that I've already done. These are with lemonade, diced nectarine and some chopped up strawberries. I really love this recipe because it's just so easy, and all you're going to need is some frozen raspberries or fresh raspberries, some fizzy juice. Obviously I used lemonade in the first ones. This one is fizzy cranberry and raspberry. And then here I've got some pre-chopped strawberries. And then you will need your, ice lolly molds, and you will need the tops of them. I've got mine in water because I cleaned them. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is pour in your drink. You're not going to want to fill them all the way, about 3/4 of the way. You might need to spill some out because obviously you're going to want to put the fruit in without it overflowing, which won't be good. 3 and 4. Okay, so I'm actually going to chop my raspberries quickly because they are a bit big to fit in the mould at the moment, so I'll be back in a second. I've probably done way too many, but who cares? It means there's more left over for me. Okay, so here are my finished ice lollies. I've got lemonade with strawberry nectarine, and then I've got cranberry and raspberry with raspberries and strawberries. In case you couldn't tell, strawberries are my favourite fruit. So yeah, obviously you can do whatever fruit you want, whatever drink you want, but this is what I recommend because it's just so quick and easy and it's really refreshing. So yeah, I can't wait for more hot weather and more summer weather. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!